What if your purpose was to serve others? How would that change the way you show up? This is my new friend here. We're just in the studio where we run our events and film our TV show. And so there's some fun props. And I'm just sat here with this amazing guy. and, just thinking about something I actually heard in a book recently. He said that all the best businesses, they don't focus on money. They're not profit-led, they're service-led. They focus on serving a purpose. And I'm just really reflecting on this right now. Our team are running an event as we speak, teaching people how to become great public speakers. And I think that's a big service for people. I'm going to let you go, buddy. A lot of people are terrified of public speaking. It's one of the biggest fears in the whole world. And I think by meeting that need for people, we're really serving them. And so you feel great, right? When you're helping people, when you're serving people, you feel amazing. It's like fills you up. When you feel like you're contributing, contribution is one of the top human needs that most people have. And I've just seen the most amazing thing. I believe the universe gives us signs that this is not planned. I just looked at this table here and there's this magazine, and in massive letters it says balance on the top of it. Everything in the universe works in cycles. If you give, you have to receive. If you breathe in, you have to breathe out. It's just the nature, it's the way of nature. Everything is cyclical. And everything in nature is here to serve others. The sun, when it shines, it doesn't shine for itself. It shines so everything on the planet can get light. In the universe, in our solar system, right? The rivers, when they flow, they don't drink their own water. They flow, and because they flow, they nourish everything around them, and they don't try, right? They don't wake up, today I'm going to flow really fast so I can serve everyone even faster. It's not like that. They just do their thing. Gravity takes them on this crazy journey, and they go exactly where they're needed, and everyone and everything gets exactly what it needs. What if your purpose was to serve others? Just try that on as a possibility. If you were to try on that possibility, how could you really serve people right now? What is something you are amazing at? What is something that you have been through that other people are going through and you could just give them a helping hand? What would be something that would be effortless for you to help people with? You know, a river flowing, it just flows. If you were just being, if you were just expressing the fullness of who you are, what would that be, and what kind of people could you really help with that? Who could you fill up? I'm just in a really great quizzical place, like pondering on the universe, and I just wanted to share this with you. This is something I talk a lot about in my book, which is called Find Your Truth. We are nature. People don't understand this. We are nature. We are an animal. We are a part of nature. We work in cycles. We're here to give, and other people will give to us. We give, and other people will give, and everyone gives, and then we all grow together. That's the kind of world I'm calling in. That's the kind of community I'm calling in. They're the kind of people I like to surround myself with, is people who are here in service, people who just want to give. It's not giving. When they give, it doesn't empty them. When they give, they're like, think about a cup. I like this expression. They say you can't pour from an empty cup. So imagine your cup is filled. Then what happens is it overflows, and then you're just giving that overflow to people. And this is how we help the whole world, right? We fill up our cup, we give the overflow to people. One of the problems is some people have an egg cup. They have a little tiny cup, right? And it's not enough for them, so they need to get a bigger cup. They need to fill a mug or a bowl or a jug or something, right? Make your cup bigger. How can you increase your container so you can hold more light, more energy for yourself, and then give the overflow to people? It's a great meditation you can do. I encourage you to do this. Just imagine in your meditation the amount of light that you can hold in your body right now. And you want to do everything you can to increase that, whether it's breath work, whether it's eating more foods that are light, like fruits and vegetables, whether it's doing more exercise to increase the amount of energy that your muscles can store and produce and use. What can you do to increase your capacity to hold, so then you have even more to give to people? And everything's about balance. If you give too much, if you give too much, if you give too much and you give too much and you exhaust yourself, you don't allow other people to give to you, that's not balance. Let me know if this is resonating with you. Let me know if this makes any sense. I love getting in these kind of moods where you get kind of philosophical, right? A lot of people don't take time to just allow themselves to ponder. Let me know what your purpose is. I really believe as well we are multi-purpose beings. We are multi-purpose beings. A river doesn't just have one purpose. Yes, it gives things water, but it's also a place for fish to live and all sorts of other things. It moves the terrain around. It can carve through mountains. It brings fresh water to the oceans. It has so many purposes, and you're the same. You have so many purposes. You are multi-dimensional, multi-purpose being. Maybe you want to just sit, close your eyes, breathe deep into your body. Just really feel that. Feel what it would feel like to be a multi-dimensional, multi-purpose being. And ask to be shown the grandest version of the greatest vision of yourself, fulfilling your purposes, being on purpose. Imagine it just like a movie, so clear. See how you serve when you are in your power. Feel what that feels like to be of service. Feel what it feels like to have so many other people wanting to give to you, to fill you up, and we all fill each other and we all rise together. Feel what that would feel like. And if this is something that you would like to bring into your reality, just imagine this every day. Train your body, train your energy, train the cells in your body to feel this feeling. And then follow it. Follow that feeling. It will lead you exactly where you need to go. Hope you enjoyed these ramblings, these musings. I don't plan these, I just let whatever wants to come through. It's really fun. Let me know if you got any good takeaways from this, some golden nuggets. Please do like, share, subscribe. If you go on my YouTube channel, Luke Scott Official, I have a whole playlist of these talks from my book. You can find it. Talks from Luke's book, videos from Luke's book. We go into all this in detail. Sending you all lots and lots of love, and just remember, you are a multi-purpose, multi-dimensional being.